All right, so this video is going to be about how the due dates work in this class. So in the syllabus, it kind of gives you a little overview, but this is going to hopefully give a little better detail. So in general, the modules list the due dates, 19 August to 12 September, 13 September to 8 October. And so that's the in general. This is how I split the course up to be the most simplified for you to get through it in the easiest manner and hopefully give you the proper amount of time for each section. Now, can you do it in a different way? Sure, you can take longer on section module one or longer on module two, or you can start module one and be finished with it and already starting module two before the 12th of September. So that's the nice thing about the way this is set up. Now, how does it work though? Well, there are hard due dates that won't change. So, introduction, is going to be on the September 12th, the syllabus quiz, the email me, those are set in stone. So those won't change. Now, things that also you have to work on are things like the homework here and all these homeworks. So those don't have a due date. So those basically are due anytime before the end of the semester. So it doesn't really matter when. Now, these pre-exam and post-exam self-reflections are also at any time, but usually I would prefer you do the pre-exam before you take the Chapter 9 exam and the post-exam right after you take the Chapter 9 exam. So like, 30 minutes or so before and 30 minutes or so after. That would be the ideal way to do those. Now, module two, what do we have for due dates? Well, we've got the study skills. It's due on October 8th. And then after that, everything else in the section is all just due at the end of the semester, basically. But again, you don't want to do that because it's going to be a lot to do at the end of the semester. So you just want to have the ones that are, due, make sure you get those done. Everything else can be done at any time. So basically, like I said, if you start, early and get done before the end of August and you want to move on to module two, start module two. Now, you probably won't be able to start on the study skills journal, but you can start on all the homework and things like that. Now, in another case, maybe you got sick and you didn't finish module one. So, it's like, 20th of September and you still haven't finished module one. That's not a problem as long as you did everything that was due on a specific hard due date. And then you can move on and get done with it, then move on to module two, hopefully start catching up a little bit there, catch up more on module three and four and five. And by the end, the hard due date is the module and everything has to be done by that 12th of December. So that's kind of the key there. So that is a hard due date as well. So that's how the due dates work in this class. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.